Concerning Kanu's trial, lawyer divides over justice. Nyako's return after Recusal. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got here this morning. As a headline for this morning says that concerning Kanu's trial, lawyers divide over justice. Nyako's return after Recusal. Well, the decision of Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja to continue presiding over the trial of the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB in Kanu, despite refusing herself from the case earlier, has elicited various reactions from legal practitioners in the country. Well, it will be recalled that Kanu, who is facing a 7-count treasonable felony charges the federal government initiated against him, had in open court challenged the legally propriety of allowing Justice Nyako to conduct his trial. According to the battered IPOB leader, the judge, having issued an enrolled order with respect to a ruling she delivered on November 24th, 2024, to rescue herself from the trial, has become a function to his case. Addressing the court, Kanu insisted that a directive of the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tosho, which returns his case file back to Binta Nyako, was inferior to the enrolled order. He argued that only the Court of Appeal could override the subsiding Recusal order. The drama that trailed Kanu's outburst from the dock led to the adjournment of his case indefinitely. Meanwhile, some senior advocates of Nigeria declined to offer their opinion on the issue, which they describe as highly sensitive. Those that spoke to Vanguard have conflicting news. Well, Nyako's return possible under compelling reason, Mohammed's son. According to Rankings SAN, Mr. Mohammed Abeni, who was possible for the trial judge to return, he said it was possible for the trial judge to return to the case after her earlier Recusal order. Rescues in a situation where a judge withdraws from presiding over a case either on his own motion or at the request of a party or parties in the case. And that was what I said here concerning this headline this morning, which says here that concerning Kanu's trial, lawyers divide over Justice Nyako's return after Recusal. And well, of course, you're ready for me this morning. And if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here, right now, is to tap that subscribe button, with the notification bell, so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Kanu's trial, lawyer divides over Justice Nyako's return after Recusal. Okay, concerning Kanu's trial, I know that a lot of people already know the update that is going around right now concerning Kanu's trial, and everybody has different point of view concerning what should have ended the trial, or what was it fair that they prolonged in Kanu's trial indefinitely, or does Binta Nyako, does she have the right to come back, or was it unfair for her to come back? Or you understand, a lot of people are just giving different type of views on top of this matter. But before I say some people's view, I would like to say my own view on top of this matter. According to the constitution which Kanu himself brought to the court of recently, he said that Binta Nyako cannot come back to the case unless the appeal court says so. They say that Justice John Tosho cannot tell Binta what to do. Yes, and which of course is right. The Chief Judge of the Federation, John Tosho, cannot tell the court Binta what to do, because the court of Nigeria is independent. He can't tell her what to do. So her coming back saying that the Chief Judge of the Federation did not accept her Recusal, that's just a lie, and things don't work. Things don't just work like that. I mean, we are in a democratic country and everybody knows the law in this country, so things does not just work like that. Well, a lot of SANs were saying that Binta can actually come back if the appeal court says so. But did the appeal court say anything like that? No. Then why did Binta come back to the case? That is the problem. Now there problem there. Like seriously, Binta knows that she can't come back. And Justice John Tosho knows that this woman can't come back. They just have to transfer the case file back to her again. For what? Are you just trying to just disbalance, or would I say just scatter the Kanu's trial from the inside, or what? Because right now you've given him a prolonged detention indefinitely, and even Nyako said that Binta did not adjourn anything because only somebody, according to Nyako, said that Binta does not have authority over the case. Meanwhile, Binta cannot adjourn the case indefinitely, and I myself, I'm in support of that one. I'm in support of that one. Because whether they like it or not, whether the Nigerian government like it or not, Nnamdi Kanu has to be free, and Nnamdi Kanu will be free. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu will be free. Right now, the case of Nnamdi Kanu is one of the most top topic in Nigerian news right now. And believe me, what they did to Nnamdi Kanu is unfair, like ultra unfair, ultra unfair. But Chinedu says that whatever man or woman sow is what he will reap. I mean, that's what the Nigerian government will reap. All this Ojori identity in Nnamdi Kanu is what people will reap. I'm telling you, no doubt about that. No doubt about that. You people have the power to release Nnamdi Kanu under 1 minute, knowing fully well that this man is innocent. But instead, you want to prolong the tension. You just want to prolong the matter. I mean, a prolonged detention is the best thing the Nigerian government can do for Nnamdi Kanu. Since one, they cannot convict him due to that he's innocent. I mean, that's what people are saying. People are saying that if Nnamdi Kanu is as guilty as you guys are saying, then just convict him. End this case. Let everybody know. Let everybody know what they are facing, because nobody likes a prolonged detention. Nobody likes a prolonged detention. Am I guilty or am I not guilty? Let us know. I mean, that's what the people in the Southeast are demanding. Let us know. Nobody likes prolonged detention. Prolonged detention is trash. Oh yeah, what if Nnamdi Kanu is now proven innocent at the end of all this? So are you not saying he spent three and a half years imprisonment in Nigeria for free? I mean, is that what we're trying to say? No, it cannot just work out like that too. No. No. It's not work out like that. It's not going to work like that. So, at this point in time, I will say that the Nigerian government, they did what they call bias, big bias in Nnamdi Kanu's case of recently. Yes, impartiality was just too much there. I can't see Nnamdi Kanu even said that when they reach my turn, they start changing they start turning the law upside down, which of course is right. If you come to think about it, the Nnamdi Kanu's case is supposed to have ended packs like since 2 years ago, since 2021. But the Nigerian government are just so corrupt. They just want to convict him once and for all, knowing fully well that this man have more influence more than the Southeast governors. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu has more influence. Nnamdi Kanu moves. You understand? His organization has more influence in the Southeast more than the political parties of Nigeria. So what are we saying here? Drop your own comment in the comment section. And don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button as we go down with notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.